if I told you, the wildest street in New Orleans has a completely different personality. Just a few hours later, this is Bourbon Street, the same place known for neon lights, loud music, and nonstop parties. But right now, something feels different. No crowds, no chaos, just quiet streets, and the untold story of what happens after the night ends. And trust me, this side of New Orleans, most people never get to see it. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together.
It's not like the damage reverses itself. It's not like the damage reverses itself.
It's early morning and Bourbon Street is slowly waking up. The neon lights are still fading like the last memories of the night before. You can see crews cleaning the streets, washing away everything that made this place come alive just hours ago. There's a strange calm here, almost like the city is catching its breath. No music, no crowds, just the quiet rhythm of a new day beginning. As we keep walking, the silence feels even more noticeable. A few locals pass by, some heading to work, others just enjoying the peaceful streets. Shops are slowly opening and the smell of fresh coffee starts to fill the air. It's a completely different energy, slower, softer, and more personal. This is the side of New Orleans that feels real, away from the spotlight. Look around and you'll start noticing the details you'd usually miss at night. The historic buildings, the iron balconies, the textures of the streets. Everything feels more alive in the morning light. Without the crowds, you can actually take in the beauty of the French Quarter. It almost feels like stepping into a different time. Quiet, but full of character. If you're enjoying this peaceful side of New Orleans, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss more unique walks like this. Now slowly, the city begins to shift again. Delivery trucks arrive, shop owners set up for the day, and signs flicker back to life. You can feel the energy building, not chaotic, but steadily growing. It's like watching the city reset itself, preparing for another cycle. And in a few hours, this quiet street will be unrecognizable again. Now, slowly, the city begins to shift again. Delivery trucks arrive, shop owners set up for the day, and signs flicker back to life. You can feel the energy building, not chaotic, but steadily growing. It's like watching the city reset itself, preparing for another cycle. And in a few hours, this quiet street will be unrecognizable again. From chaos into calm and back again. That's the magic of Bourbon Street. In just a few hours, this quiet street will once again be filled with music, lights, and endless energy. But moments like this, peaceful, raw, and almost untouched, are rare. And that's what makes this experience truly special. If you enjoyed discovering this hidden side of New Orleans, make sure to subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell icon so you never miss these unique walking journeys. Because the world has two sides, and we're here to show you both. Want to explore more of the USA? Tap here for our complete USA playlist. And if you love vibrant city vibes, don't miss our Barcelona nightlife walk. It's a whole different energy. See you in the next journey.